Everybody, what time is it? White people, what time is it? Black people, what time is it? Represent. It's only like 3 of us, all right? Hispanics, what time is it? Represent. It's a lot of y'all everywhere. Okay. Asian, what time is it? What the heck? The Asians got gangster. They're like, showtime. What happens to like showtime? Y'all don't do that no more. Alcoholics, what time is it? Like I thought, the Mexicans again, yeah. All right, y'all ready for the show? Make some noise. I know it's a hot ass.
We're a couple of birds in a roof den, but to us it still feels like heaven. Cause we don't let the bad vibes get in, we don't let them win. Testify to the strength of a true bond, flying high over the heads of a rude mob, staying at the revolution of the whole plot, kill them all with love. I don't care if they're talking about us. No, I don't care if they put us down. No, I don't care if the sky falls around us. We're riding on a pink cloud. Oh, oh. We're riding on a pink cloud. 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 Our mother is the boom in the baseline. Our father is the backbeat at halftime. They say we were born under a bad sign. We say yes, so what? We're the ones who create our own world. Friendly assassins known as pegboard. All glory and praise to the bad Lord. Kill a man with
Big PewDiePie.
This is amazing.